iba pang balita ay pinaubayan na ng Malacanang sa Philippine National Police sa pagsasagawa ng investigasyon kaugnay sa naganap na ambush sa convoy ni Presidential Legislative and Liaison Office Secretary Emmanuel Mamba sa Alcala, Cagayan. Ayon kay Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacerda, nakikipagtulungan na ang kampo ni Mamba para matukoy ang responsable sa naturang insidente. Nauna nang kinundina ng Malacanang ang ulat ng karahasan kaugnay ng idinaos na halalan kahapon.
It has been reported to the PNP, and as an investigative body, I think it is the mandate of the PNP to investigate the situation. I have no details on the raid of Secretary Mamba except for the fact that we called him and we asked if he was okay yesterday. And when we called him, he was already in the police precinto yata yun. He was reporting the incident. And I think